Hello, my family and friends. I know you're asking how to make YouTube account because you can sign in or like my YouTube channel because you don't have any account. Well, today I will teach you how. So keep watching. When I was filming outside and talking, there's somebody that's watching. So I have company, a little froggy, friends or an angel, whoever that is, it just makes me happy. Hello, my family and friends. Here's I'm gonna teach you step by step of how to use or how to make YouTube account. You need to go to google.com, and then if you don't have any Gmail account yet, you need to create one. Okay? So if you don't have anything yet, you need to create one. And they will ask you, is it for yourself or for your business? So you need to put, just like when you do Facebook, you have to put in your first name, your last name, your username, whatever you want a name in your Google, maybe your last name or your first name, and then you do your password, and then confirm your password, and then you have to go next. Okay, and then just follow instruction. And then if you already have your Gmail, then you need to go sign in your Gmail account and then your password. So just easy as that. So you got the first step, right? Okay, my family and friends, here is how you're gonna make YouTube account. First of all, you need to create a Gmail account first, right? So what you have to do is you need to put your name, whatever name you like. So mine, I'll just put Sally. My last name is Casper. I'll just put my username as sallycasper@gmail.com. And then I need to figure out a password. Okay, so let me see. And then next, just like when you sign in, YouTube said username is already taken, so I'll put, let me see here, and see if that one is not taken. Okay, that works pretty good. And then you need to put your phone number. Okay, and your birthday. And here we go. And then, of course, I'm a female. And then they have to send that because they will notify you. Google is making sure that that's you. Okay? So I'm going to send that, and I'm going to look on my cell phone, make sure I get the code because they'll send you the code. Okay, so you do that with your cell phone. Okay, so it's so I can see I'm in, and then you read the privacy term, and then you accept the privacy terms. You said you agreed to that. You agreed to the rules. Okay, over here I have my Gmail account, and then of course you need to go to YouTube, right? Because you're going to make a YouTube account. Okay, so when you have your YouTube account, you need to, of course you need to sign in, right? You need to go to YouTube Studio or create a channel, because you don't have a channel yet, right? So you need to get started, and then it says, do you want your name or you want another name? So I have to go, I need to use my name. Okay. Okay, and that's my name. And then you can go whatever you like. You have to go, and then you can put the URL, or need to go, or you need to complete this one, and you can do that later. So I have to upload a picture. Okay, so you need to find a picture that you want on here. For now I'll just use the flower, right? Okay, you can use that. And then you can give, or I can put my personal page, or whatever you like. And then if you don't have the URL, or if you want to put your Facebook account here, URL, your Twitter or Instagram, you can do that. For now, I'll just go save and continue. Okay, so it says I don't have any subscriber yet. Do you want to organize? You can organize. And then over here, you have your home. And then over here, you can create your channel, make it a little bit better. So, and you can upload your video. Let me upload something, you know, or you want to create a new video. So if you don't have your new video yet, or picture for your banner, then you can this is the tutorial that you need to learn. How you're gonna make your channel looks good, because step by step how to earn. If you have, you can learn all kinds of good stuff in your channel. And for now, my friends, I hope that's helpful. There is a channel academy here that you can learn what is trending. Here is the library. Whatever you want to do, you can make a music account or sports. For example, if you want sports, and then you will describe whatever you want. You can subscribe to all the people that have a sports category or music category. If that's what you want to do, you can subscribe with them, and you can do, okay, you can learn. And that was the start of making a a YouTube channel. So my friends, I hope that's helpful. This one you can change your own pictures, or you can get a YouTube pictures or template that's already there, so it's all up to you. And later you can do whatever graphic or picture you want in here, but just making sure that you are uploading your own video and not getting from somebody else's video. Otherwise YouTube can take you down, okay, or delete your video because that was not yours. And they said that if you can get a video that's over 10 minutes, that's good, because then YouTube will know that that's really you. I hope that's helpful, my family and friends. Go to the YouTube Academy. So they will teach you more what to do step by step. Those who are expert creators that's been there for years, and they can teach you better than me. So that was the start of our video today. I hope you like it. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my video today, if you like my tutorial. And next I will show you how to download videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and you have a great day.